So SoFi is in the middle of a $1 trillion total addressable market. Before we get into an article that explains why, just want to look at the daily chart, and I had this support level down at $6.50 for the longest. Price almost dipped its toes in the upper portion of the support band before reacting. And what was confirmation? We had a close above the short-term daily downtrend. However, this could just be the pullback before the next impulse move down. Now, before we look at the higher time frames, let's look at this article. So according to Fortune Business Insights, the global fintech market is estimated to be worth $882 billion in 2030, signaling a compound annual growth rate of 17% between 2023 and 2030. That sets the stage well for high growth fintech companies such as SoFi. Now, during the fourth quarter, SoFi reported adjustable revenue growth of 34% to $594 million. At the same time, shares of SoFi stock are down by nearly 30% year to date. Now, according to Fortune, fintech companies that utilize AI and cloud computing will have an advantage over their peers. AI can help customers make smarter and safer financial decisions, while cloud computing allows for flexible infrastructure development based on activity and demand. Now, Fortune separates the fintech market by technology in 4 different segments. You have AI, blockchain, robotic processing, automation, and others. AI is expected to grow at the fastest rate by 2030, while blockchain technology had the highest market share in 2022. SoFi discontinued its cryptocurrency services last year due to regulatory concerns, thanks to the U.S. government, of course. Now, North America commands the largest fintech market in the world, which was worth an estimated $89.6 billion in 2022. That's a positive for SoFi, as most of its customers are located there, meaning within the U.S., Canadian, Mexico, etc. Meanwhile, the Asian Pacific region is expected to grow its compound annual growth rate at the fastest rate in the world by 2030. SoFi does not provide direct services in Asia, although customers can use their debit card there. So what's the message? Fintech market is set to grow at a high rate due to the proliferation of technology. However, it's up to SoFi to execute on the opportunity in front of itself. However, that's easier said than done. All right, so again, price is reacting to this support band at $6.50. I did have a bounce and then a move higher. Scrolling out to the weekly chart, and you can see price has been range bound for quite some time, actually going back to June of last year, and it's been $10 has been the ceiling. Again, 650 has been the floor. And when you are in a price range market, you want to play the extremes. That's where you have the imbalances between buyers and sellers. And so I think it's an opportunity. Again, you did get a reaction. You could see an impulse lower, but I think the chart suggests one can go long at this $6, $7 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.